Hello! Agus bhfuil géad míle fáilte isteach go dtí Thankfolk, it's Thursday. Agus tá brona a ríist and I'm darren on dot arrow. I'm after messing up the dates again, so sure, look, these things happen. I apologise. But anyways, yeah, I think I haven't changed. We'll change them afterwards. It'll all be good. We can find them busy. Tasula, I'm going to be fad in I hope you're all keeping well. Támod bís a bheith harás ríist in le blast túnachaí agus blast córa agus ceol chasachaí benocht to play many songs, have good chats and stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to it. It'll be another fun evening. So before I start, I want to say a massive thank you to everybody who supports us all the time. You guys are really and truly the lifeblood of us at this stage. It's very, very, very much appreciated. And if you do feel like tipping for tonight's session and performance, you can do so at paypal.me/Shullin. So there should be a little tip jar thing. There it is. Oh, wrong hand. There we go. Right there. So if you feel like that it's something you can do, there's obviously no pressure whatsoever. But if it is something you'd like to do, then the tip jar is available there. So, gur míle mahagi tashib intachilog. Tosa my feki me galiola Lordine and chin. Feki mawam ishte kechel tu mama. Mam straight in there with nice haircut. Thanks, mother. I got that done there yesterday, so happy days. A question here: do I like garlic? Yes, is the answer to that. I do. I love it, and I put it in anything and everything. How do you say Sherlock in Irish, Stefan? Brianna. Sorry, Brianna, maybe. Goya, Brianna. You said, what? Brianna. Yeah, Brianna. That's Mr. Shinnan Barach. As I say, Nur Hukas Kev Stach and Ishkan couple new basically. When Kev comes in a few minutes, maybe we can try and figure that one out. Yes, but there's a lot about the haircut. Well, I actually didn't get a haircut, if I'm being quite honest. It's still the same length. I just dyed the tips of it invisible, so it's a little bit different today, all right. But look, it's all just a ploy, you know. Let's see. Oh, somebody's on about do they hide at Thankfolk It's Wednesday for us? Thankfolk It's Wednesday. That is crazy talk. Wow, so crazy though. It might work. You never know. Maybe at some point in our lives we might take a fancy and maybe go for a Thankfolk It's Wednesday, or even something crazy like a Thankfolk It's Tuesday. Imagine. Jesus. Brenna. Sure, look, here we are. Yeah, no, sure, look, we'll get cracking. Go Mersachi, go on this. Didn't more on this. Sorry, I'm trying to say good luck, sure, look, in Irish all the time. But Tossum with the didn't make up on this. I'll do a couple of songs now, right? This and here can show Gandar go door on Hinch the Blockini on our album Solace. I guess it's a song that was inspired by Kev's nephew, and when he was very young, Kev would have seen him, messing with blocks and building towers, and to be falling down, and it wouldn't faze him at all. And I think it was a nice thought as well, to think that like kids, they don't give a shit, they don't care, they just get on with it and move on. We say they're sponges. I suppose everyone would be a sponge if we had that attitude, really, in fairness, you know. So Carol she manish Trial reachtach ni heklam skinto Kachri gan sitson Shassanish gan moranstro E wat ni siskus mishani smooth all Tastin she first We tended to love sound Islam machri And tasha khoshi plile hulis na cream Hey Islam stoiri Oh, that I had said that no kinishin Navi pur hashetau And border we trust the waqtadu lay Dile khafa nog dan Go de veilig heen Go de veilig heen Spegach rotau san is gan more an stro. E wat ni sis gus mishani smooth all. Tasting she folks. Dead to love sao is no my queen. Tasha khoshi bile hulis the cream. Hey slum stoini. Lord that I hit in the bikini shin. Na be poor hasheta. Oh, the trust the wacht olay. Nile van achtan. Go de valach heen. Go de valach heen. Is begachrod. Obviously this song is much better when I have all the lads with me, you know. Like, it's the thing we do in that last bit, you know, where we go. Kev obviously doing that on the box. We do a big stop there, and then we have a bit of fun with it, but it's not really something I can do on my own. Next bit, alright? If you're at home and you're comfortable enough in your own skin to start singing at the telly or singing at the laptop screen, you can actually do this next bit. So it goes. I have to wait for the next round. Is feiter let squeal lem love. Is feiter let squeal lem love. What I'm saying is feiter let squeal lem love, which means you can let go of my hand. And when we sing it in English, we sing like you can let go of my hand. So it's actually one of those situations where the direct translation works musically, but in both languages. Feiter let squeal lem love. So give her a crack at home. It's feiter let squeal lem love. 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 We're squealing lem love. Lord, that I hit in the bikini shin. Na be poor hashet out. Trust the wacht olay. Nile van achtan. Go de valach heen. Go de valach heen. Spee gachra. I was 19 when I came to town. They call them the summer of love. We were burning babies, burning flags, the hawks against the dust. I took a job in a steamy down on Carlton Street. I fell in love with a laundry girl that was working next to me. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. Brown hair zigzag around her face and a look of half surprise, like a fox caught in the headlights. There was animal in her eyes. She said, young man, oh can't you see I'm not the factory kind, and if you don't take me out of here I'll surely lose my mind. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine that but the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. We bust around the market towns and we picked fruit down in Kent, and we could tinker lamps and pots and knives wherever we went. And I said that we might settle down and get a few acres dug, a fire burning in the hearth and babbies on the road. She said, oh man, you foolish man, it surely sounds like hell. You might be lord of half the world, but you're not on me as well. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a bit the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. We were camping down the Garrow one time, the work was pretty good. She thought we shouldn't wait for frost, I thought maybe we should. And we were drinking more in those days, and tempers reached a pitch, and like a fool I let her run with the rambling itch. And last I heard she's sleeping out down in Derby Beat, with a white horse in her hip pocket and a wolfhound at her feet. And she says she even married once a man named Romany Brown, but even a gypsy caravan is too much like settling down. They say her flowers faded now, hard weather and hard booze, but maybe that's the price you pay for the chains that you refuse. But she was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing. I miss her more than ever words could say. If I could just taste all of her wildness now, if I could hold her in my arms today, I wouldn't want her any other way. I wouldn't want her any other way. The hungry feeling came o'er me stealing, and the mice were squealing in my prison cell, and the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. So this is a song called The Old Triangle, often attributed to Brendan Behan because he had it in his play The Queer Fella, but it was actually written by a man by the name of Dickie Shannon. And it talks about Mountjoy Prison and how they used to ring a triangle to get all the inmates up in the morning. Triangle is still there, actually, I think. I don't know, I wouldn't know, I haven't been. To begin the morning, the screw was bawling, get up, you Bowsy, and clean out yourself. The old triangle and jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal canal. All the lags were sleeping, 'cause he was peeping, as I lay there weeping for my gal Sal. The old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. Up in the female prison there were 75 women, and it is amongst them that I wish I did dwell. And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. So, there we had 3 songs there. The first one being our own song, Gluckini, from our album Solace. The second one being a bit of Beeswing by Richard Thompson. A lovely song that I think anyone who listens to it likes and loves, maybe. And then we also had then The Old Triangle, the Dick Shannon / Brendan Behan renowned classic that was obviously made mostly famous by the Dubliners in particular, and a song we all love. But Anish, tá sé námang fáilte a chur raibh na bhachalaí isteach, and we can discuss the gaeilge for Sherlock. Ach goilir isteach a chev agus a chiit, cecha bhfuil se bhleis. Hello! Aren't you mighty looking?
Sure. Doing our very best, Stephen.
I'll just throw this together, Stefan.
Oh yeah, you know yourself. It's just a normal day for you, Kev. Normal day for
This
you.
whole thing.
How we
But any
kept
crack?
boys?
Alright, not much now, not much.
See, I think you just said the Gaeilge for Sherlock. Ara.
Ara would just stop
Yara.
it.
Yara.
Yara.
I think you're right. I think Yara, Blana, maybe Blana is another way.
Yeah, Sherlock.
I've kind of thrown it out there. It's kind of how you'd actually, I suppose, a way to. It's a filler, like, you know. It's not really.
Yeah.
You're not really. It's not like.
Yara.
It's not
yeah.
the ordative tense of the verb to look. You know. It's like
It's not
just,
in the dictionary. Like.
it's just a filler, like.
You'll not find it in the dictionary.
Yeah, well, you will probably find look in the dictionary, but you won't get in under it.
Funny enough, you'll
Meaning number 7, passive noun, not referring to anything in particular, just filling space.
Colloquial nothingness.
What do you call those? There's a name for that, like, you know,
Yeah,
the way you go in between words.
basically half of the French language.
Yeah. But you know what I'm talking about? Like,
No,
it's,
I do.
There's a name for it. I don't know what it is. If anyone knows, let us know. Like, you know, saying something just to fill space, not because it has a meaning.
Yeah,
Verbal lilting.
verbal lilting. Yeah, but I reckon, like, I don't know. It's hard to know because, like, the vowel form of that is called a schwa, isn't it? It's like the little in lexicon. It's like the upside down e that they write. You know?
Oh, yeah.
Do you know what I mean? You know when you look up in your dictionary and like it has like the breakdown of how the word is pronounced and it's all symbols that are universal and it gives you an idea as to how the
Like
word is pronounced.
Yeah, yeah.
Like,
yeah. What's that called again? It's where they give the phonetics. There's a name for that thing.
Yeah, to be honest, I actually can't remember what it's called. I did a bit of it in college, and not too much, but I found it interesting. But the little, like, so for example, all the 3 broad vowels in Irish are A, O, U, obviously, and the same in any language. And any of them in the middle of a word usually operates as a kind of a, they can be the same. Like, if, for example, the word August, you know, when they revamped the language in 1957, they were getting rid of all the USs and changing them to ASs, just kind of keeping it standard, But certain really common words were exceptions, which is the more than irregular verbs. It's always the most common verbs that are the irregulars and the exceptions, because they're used so much and nobody's going to change it, or whereas it's easy to regulate the not common verbs because people they'll buy into that and keep going. But so August was one of those words that's too common to change, so they didn't change. They were going to change it to ADAS, AGAS,
Yeah.
But there's no difference between AGAS, AGUS, or AGOS when you say it, like
August,
in Irish. August. It's a AG.
I know which one is which there now.
S. Huh?
I know which one is which there.
yeah, but like it's basically pronunciation wise, it's just they like the vowel then a go, and then a schwa, like a kind of a filler, and then an s.
Oh, yeah.
You clearly twitch your left eye.
3 or 4 people have confirmed that it is in fact a schwa. Is the name for that.
Yeah, no, I don't know what the dictionary thing is called, but yeah, I was nearly certain of that being called a schwa. The cedilla I see from James is the thing under the S, under the C that makes it an S sound, isn't it? Yeah, it's like turns it into a little. It's like a little 5, the bottom half of the 5.
Yeah.
God bless grammar, lads. God bless us.
By Jesus, it's great, isn't it? Absolutely great.
Nothing make any sense without it.
Yeah, it's Mitch Campbell here, or Mish Campbell. I'm not 100% sure. Apologies now. I need to get the International Phonetic Alphabet out there to get the pronunciation of the name. But they have said that it's the International Phonetic Alphabet, which is handy. Handy thing to have. But
Jessica Holmes is saying, has anyone told Keith how closely he resembles the Jersey Man? What are you talking about? Who's that?
I don't see it at all.
I don't know what you're talking about, Jessica.
Yeah, that's a bit.
Sounds like you've been taking crazy pills.
But will we get an old song in? Maybe Keith or Kev on the tunes or whatever.
Oh, easy, yeah.
I'll sing a little song there.
Right, there you go.
Bloody go for it, man.
How's the old balance? Because we're having a few bits of difficulty with that.
Yeah, a lot better. Maybe the guitar down slightly, perhaps, or maybe the vocal up instead of the guitar down, maybe.
We're gonna go for a little bit of the vocal up.
That sounds good on my end.
Go.
Lovely. Bleeding whopper.
Bloody excellent. Bloody excellent.
Bloody good, mate.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Right. No, let's do it. We'll give you the floor, Keith.
Right, you should get out of there now. Right, we'll see you shortly. Shortly. Because that's Kevin's name. 1, 2. Oh, that's a lot of reverb. We might throw that on in a second. I'm going to do a song by an Irish band. It's kind of a slower one, but I hope you enjoy it. Scared and never feeling it again. I know it's crazy to believe in silly things, but it's not that easy. I remember now, it takes me back to where it all first started, but I've only got myself to blame for it, and I accept it now. It's time to let it go out and start again. But it's not that easy. But I got high hopes. It takes me back to where we started. I as I meet the ghosts of all the people who've come and gone. Memories, they seem to show up so quick, but they leave you far too soon. Naive, I was just staring at the barrel of a gun. High hopes, it takes me back to where we started. High hopes, when you let it go out and start again. High hopes, whoa, and the world keeps spinning. Whoa, the world keeps spinning around. So that's High Hopes there by Codeline. Big Codeline fan, so I am. I got to see them 1 year live down on the Liffey outside the Custom House Quay. Custom House Quay being a very, I suppose, a boring building, but also a very famous building because it was part of the Irish War of Independence. But there was a big New Year's Eve concert outside it, and Codeline headlined at it, and it was great. It was only great. Should we get the boys back in? I was going to do another one, but you know what? We've time. We've time, don't we?
Hello,
Of course.
hello.
Falteresh.
I had to run inside
Yeah.
there because I didn't have any plectrums, so I
Oh,
was
yeah.
like, I had to sprint into that. I was like, I had to do the first couple of songs just to do the fingers. And I was like,
Fingers.
in European, I was like, I'm just gonna go in now and get the plectrums and be sorted. The
Absolutely.
plectrums. But tá sé fearhaft.
I was going to say, did you get them?
I did, yeah. I got a few, yeah.
I wouldn't be at all surprised if you went in, spoke to Lisa, and then came back out with
Open
nothing.
the fridge. Close the fridge. Came back out.
Got yourself a pint of water. I'm back out again, but yeah.
Is that a new mic? Rebecca's asking. It's a new mic in regards to the live stream. I've never used it before, but I've had it for a very long time. It's actually the first mic I ever bought.
I was going to say, I think you had that when we were teenagers.
Yeah, I bought this when I was like 15 with all the money I didn't have. So it's quite an old mic, but this is the first time using it on the live stream. It's kind of unique as well. It's kind of like it's two companies came together to just collaborate on this mic. So it's called the EV Blue, and EV is a company and Blue is a company, and they came together to make this mic, and you can't buy them anymore. So yeah, it's kind of a cool little mic.
That was cool. It's a cool shape, like it's kind of like it's like the wing mirrors on those old like 50s cars.
Oh, yeah,
You know, like,
yeah.
Like what do you
Yeah.
call it? It's like a rocket cup, or I don't know what they're called, but something along those
It's
lines.
kind of like that.
It is cool.
Yeah.
Kevy, have you got some tunes?
Good
course
stuff.
I do.
Okay.
Of course it is.
And could you tell us about the tunes you're about to play? To put you on the spot.
I can
Some
tell you
extra
where
pressure.
I heard them first. I don't know anything about the actual tunes. So I heard them, they're from a Lunasa album, the ones I was going to play. And
Lovely.
I've played them with you guys before, but I don't know have I played them on the live stream before, so I'll give them a go anyway.
Do you know what these are
um,
called?
Give me 2 seconds and I'll look them up. Carry on yourselves for a second.
There was I was in Italy at the weekend there, and I was playing with a piper by the name of Ryan Murphy, and he was playing one of the tunes that you play, Kev.
Which one was it?
I can't even think of it. It's one of the. Jesus, how did it go? I sent a video of it to you. He didn't know the name. He did know the name. He kind of knew the name.
It was the Milwaukee set. It was the waltzes.
Yeah, it was the waltz.
It was that one, wasn't it?
Do you know what that tune is called?
I've only ever seen it written down as a set. I've never seen the two individual tunes named.
Right, because he played it with something else. He played it just with, and I was like, oh, Kev goes into another tune that goes, That's
That's the one I do, yeah.
Yeah, so I was saying you go into that tune after.
Yeah.
He said
You
it
can
was
go into
called,
animals after, like.
no, I
you know?
know, but it was called like something through the pan or something. There was something.
It is always weird, isn't it, when when you hear somebody play tunes and go into like it might be a tune that Kev plays very often and you're very familiar with it, and Kev goes into a certain tune afterwards, and then you hear somebody else play it and they go into a different tune.
And it was different.
You're like, what are you doing? It's like hearing, it's like putting on an album, but like the wrong song comes on next. And you're like, ah.
Or it's like you're listening to a verse in a song and then they just go into a complete different chorus from a different song. You're like, wait, what the hell's going on here? Yeah, no, but it was good. It was good. It's a good tune. I really like it. That one.
I'll play those as well. I'll play the two sets.
Yeah, he had a name. He had a name for it now. Whatever it was, I don't for life.
I actually probably could look it up. I know that's on a Kilfenora album, and I bet you it's in like smaller print. It's called the Malone set for their track name, but I bet you the two track names or the two tune names are in there somewhere.
Anyway, we're digressing slightly. Apologies. So you have the two Lunacy tunes you're saying, was it? Or
yeah, I might. Yeah, I'll play two of them. I might go on something else afterwards. I actually don't remember these. I played them like a couple of days ago, and I said I must remember those for this. So apologies if I mess up. But the other thing I was say, Alan Kelly here is asking for the humours of Kilkenny and the drops of spring water. Now I did say I'd play that. I did promise it. And I was actually learning it today, so I won't play them yet until I'm a bit more comfortable with them for you guys. But it's in the pipeline, Alan. Okay.
Yeah, I was chatting to Kev yesterday, Alan, and he was saying that he was listening to the tunes, and he was like, "Jeez, fair play to Alan, they're class tunes." Like,
I've never heard of them. I heard that he was in Kilkenny, alright, being in Kilkenny, but not for years and years. And Drop Springwater I haven't heard before, so yeah, two really nice tunes.
Good find, Good find.
Yeah. So anyway,
we'll give you the floor there now.
Jigs, and then what did I say? I'll do the waltzes after that, and sure.
Two jigs and two waltzes.
Yeah, maybe even three jigs. We'll see what happens.
Whoa! No way.
2 jigs and a barrett sausage.
Go on.
Right. That's you know. They are 3 tunes that I really should have the name of for you, but I don't. Sorry. The other ones then, what did I say I do? Waltzes. They are... yeah, I have them now. Cool. But I want to say the Milwaukee set is. If you look up the Milwaukee set by the Kilfenora Katie Band, you'll find that one if you are looking for it. I'll get the names of all those tunes while Stefan's doing a song, and I'll come back to you on them. Right. Nice one. Thanks, lads. Are you there? You can come back in.
Yes, I'm here, Kevin. How are you?
Good, thanks.
was
I'm
lovely,
actually doing
Kev.
other stuff.
I really like
Thanks.
that.
Fair play, bye.
Thanks. I haven't played those ones in a long time, so I kind of had to think about them a lot more than I usually do.
Yeah, no, I saw it. You added a few little to the B part of the you were putting in
It's always different.
the
yeah.
bass notes, wasn't it? Bass notes were nice to put in
Oh
there.
yeah, I was just messing around with that. No.
Yeah, no, it sounded good.
This accordion's a little bit different than my other one in the basses, so I was just kind of playing around with it.
See, there we go.
Fair play, bye.
Before we
past
continue-
ones I wanted there weren't there.
Before we continue, I want to make a special shout out and a big
Yes.
happy birthday to Lillian Buckley.
Oh,
It's her birthday tomorrow, but we had a little bit of an old dinner over at the house and it was lovely. So Lillian, happy birthday.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday. No, what am I doing? That's
We can't sing along.
not
Can't
the
sing along.
foreign language.
We can mime along.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz. Cumpleaños, cumpleaños, cumpleaños feliz.
Bon anniversaire, bon anniversaire, bon anniversaire, bon anniversaire.
I have another one. Happy birthday, Lillian.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
So how many languages can you do, Kev?
Just one.
That's all you need, really.
What is it in German? How do you say happy birthday in German?
All of those, but ask me to speak any more French other than that and where's the library, I'm done.
Why does everyone know that one? That was in something, right?
I don't
I
know.
don't know.
It's
Has
like
to have been. Everyone
Really?
doesn't know that one line for no reason.
it's it's got to have been in a movie or something where they were literally taking the mick out of it, you know.
Yeah.
I know
Wow.
Flight of the Conchords do it. Où est la bibliothèque? But I feel
Oh,
like
yeah.
that. I feel like even that was a reference to something.
Pamplemousse.
Bravo.
I like that a lot.
So, parabéns, bravo, você, nessa data querida, muitas felicidades, muitos años de vida.
Do you know what? Nessa sounds a lot like Stefan.
Nossa.
No,
Nossa.
sir. No, sir.
Nossa. I do not know. Nossa.
What key to do that in?
I couldn't tell you.
Cheese bagel.
No, she's very. A couple of things during while I was playing games actually came up. I was like, one of them were like asking about the accordion, and then another one was like, no, I mainly play Plants vs Zombies.
Plants vs Zombies. What a game.
And so it got me because I was just like, I haven't thought about that game in a long time.
Yeah. It's not great.
No, like it's just one of those games you just kind of play on your phone. Isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a good game. Right, are you ready for some Portuguese, Stefan?
All right, let's do it. Haven't done this in a while, so I may as well.
Arra-da-dun-dun, arra-da-dun-dun.
Nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, ai, se eu te pego. Delícia, delícia, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, ai, se eu te pego, yeah! Sábado na balada, a galera começou a dançar e passou a menina mais linda. Tomei coragem e comecei a falar. Nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego. A delícia, oh delícia, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego, yeah, I was trying to get you in there, Kev. Sábado na balada, a galera começou a dançar e passou a menina mais linda. Tomei coragem e comecei a falar. Nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego, delícia, oh, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego, That is literally every bit of Portuguese I know. Oh, actually, no, I tell a lie. That and parabéns and obrigado. After that, not so much more. But yeah, so I was actually I'm actually keeping a half eye on.
I did that completely wrong.
That's not good. I'm actually keeping a half eye on the United Arsenal game, and it looks like a good game. And Ronaldo's after scoring twice, and he's Portuguese. So let's just say that's the connection, all right?
So really, that warrants just putting the match on for the rest of the live stream.
Yeah, I think that's a pretty straightforward segue. I think, you know.
Legal broadcast. You just do a screen of the match there.
Do I have around here? Okay, I do.
But that would be one way to get a good Portuguese viewership.
It would actually. Right. Okay. I'll do one quickly now before I forget, and this is one that I've been kind of struggling with the last while. So forgive me now if I go. I need to work on the old bow I'm playing, as I said, but I haven't really done too much with it. But we'll give it a crack anyway. Sure, while we're here, while we're at it, and while we're lively. This next song is an old Connemara song, and
Still trying to figure out what it could be.
it's the only song I'm playing a bowler.
I actually know exactly what it is. I was just trying to create a little air of mystery for everyone.
Might give it a bit more reverb maybe for this one. Ooh, here we go. A bit nervous with this one. Shida moyo, shida moyo, shida moyo, she kaya khanarge. Shida moyo, wale de shmonis khana she kostier vori khosharge. Avec tishti mangol chutuni lis rahi golti pushir meine karuni. Arak tusturni nyure de kosti khani chichule la kaya khanarge. Shida moyo, shida moyo, she kaya khanarge. Shida moyo, wale de shmonis khana she kostier vori khosharge. Ara masa tu bossa, baltere malesho. Tasam nach bossa, tashiro kastolak shantarege. Shida moyo, she kaya khanarge. Shida moyo, wale de shmonis khana she kostier vori khosharge. Oh, it's good, it's kaposa, kaya khanarge. It's good, it's kaposa, Sean Hamish more, it's more he khasa. Ashida Mamoyo, Shida Mamoyo, Shida Mamoyo, she Kalya Honarege. Ashida Mamoyo, Balerish Monish, Hanashi Koshir Bori Hosharega, Shida Mamoyo, Shida Mamoyo, Tamamoyo, Kalya Honarege. Ashida Mamoyo, Balerish Moni, Hanashi Koshir Bori Hosharege. That's it. That's the song. That's it. But that is a song called Kallachanarigat, which was a little bit better with it that time. Still not wonderful, but better than last time anyway. But it's a good one. It's just kind of about a fella giving out this woman down the road with earning money and putting buses on roads and taking people in and out of town and she's so he's not happy about it. And it's a good one. It's a good old tune.
Hag with the money.
The hag with the money.
That is it, isn't it? That's the tune is called The Hag with the Money, isn't it?
Is it, yeah?
Yeah, I think
I have heard The Hag with the Money, yeah.
Yeah, I think when it's played as a tune in sessions, like it's called The Hag with the Money.
Really, yeah?
Which I suppose makes sense. The Witch with the Money, The Hag with the Money.
The Hag with the Money. The Hag with the Money. Right, somebody did request Heyday, and I will do that one in a little while, just because they usually aren't halfway through the set. I'll tune the guitar down because I have two different tunings. So, but this next one, if I'm right now in saying,
oh look, here we go. Hag with the Money. I've heard The Wealthy Widow too. That's when you're trying to be mannerly. You call her The Wealthy Widow. When she's pissed you off, you call her The Hag with the Money.
Actually, no. The next one I'm going to do it would need to be in the other tuning as well. So what I'll do now. Oh, it's consolidation.
I just decided I wanted tea at the real wrong time there. Do you know what I mean?
That's all right, man. There's no wrong time for tea. I don't
know if it wasn't for anyone else. Maybe it's just me. But you're frozen with a very surprised look on your face.
I am. Oh no, that's not great. Oh yeah. What is that? Oh come on, that's not fair. Does it still like it?
Yes. Oh, there you go.
No, yeah, back with your tea. You went from being surprised to drinking tea.
I wouldn't even say surprised. It looks like I'm getting interfered with.
Jeez. Well, what I could say, I might play a song because I have a song that I want to play. It's one of our own songs. It's a song from our most recent EP. And it's one that I love playing live on stage. I think it's one of my favourite ones to play live on stage. And let me give her a crack, sure. Let me see.
Just before you do, Steve, I just wanted to take, because there's loads of people after putting into PayPal and people sharing it. It's actually gone out more than usual this week. I can see loads of shares on Facebook and links going around. So fair play to everyone. Thanks so much. It makes all the difference. So please. If you haven't already, tell a friend about us, about whether you want to share a song on Spotify, share one of these videos to them, get them onto the Thank Folk. It's Thursday, Friday, whatever day of the week it is. Bandwagon, that'd be great because it all helps so much. So,
thank you very much.
With that actually in mind, I suppose it's kind of time. It's time, I think, for something. For a nice little song that I really enjoy. And
sorry, did I just make you change song?
You did actually, yeah, in a good way. So roughly this time last year, we released a bit of an old tune that we said we'd just something to try and raise the spirits around Christmas time. And
oh yay!
It is now the 2nd of December, so I officially feel fully ready to do this. I'm fully ready to go. And when I mean fully ready, I mean not that ready because it has been a year since I've played it. So we're going to have to just see how we go. But this encounter now...
fully ready, but underprepared.
I'll give her a crack and see how you go.
That's it.
What did Dahi do?
Oh, that's a bad start.
Yeah, it was that, wasn't it?
That's it.
Something like that, yeah. For when the that you will know that I wish you every happiness, and Christmas is the time for it. When the snow does fall dancing in the breeze, I wish you every happiness. For every time you bow your head, I'm tired now, you say, I could see you smile instead. To you, my warmth I send. I wish you every happiness, and Christmas is the time for it. When the snow does fall dancing in the breeze, I wish you every happiness, and guiding on me close. There's a million miles to go. What we have here tonight is heaven in my eyes. You deserve this dream tonight. Every happiness, and this Christmas is the time for it. We've been through enough in our own heads. Let's go back to what we told ourselves. We deserve this dream tonight. I wish you every happiness. This Christmas is the time for it. When the snow does fall dancing in the breeze, I wish you every happiness. You know I wish you every happiness, and Christmas is the time for it. When the snow does fall dancing in the breeze, I wish you every happiness. So obviously without the band, I had to try and improvise on certain parts, but that was a version of I Wish You Every Happiness. I think I had my mic and stuff up too loud there, so apologies for that. But yeah, so it's Christmas. It is Christmas. It's allowed. We're allowed to say it. It's a wonderful time of year. We're here, you know, we're here. I think for me, there's always a debate about when are we allowed to talk about Christmas, and people are like either in one camp or another camp. You know, people say the minute Halloween is over, let's get cracking onto Christmas. And you know, I'm not 100% sure that's where no, that's not where I stand, to be honest. But after a couple of weeks, maybe halfway through November, I'm not too bad. But where I think myself it kicks off is once the toy show has been played on RTE. I think from there on out, you need to really put the foot down and let's just drive it home, as they say. You know. It is.
It's any time of year for me.
Any time of year, yeah. Well, like, yeah. No, you know, fair enough. I get it. But like, what do you think about when Christmas starts? Like yourselves.
I think the earlier the better.
I'm shortly after Halloween, to be honest.
Yeah, really.
Not the day or after Halloween. I don't like the whole thing of the day after Halloween you come into a shop and there's Christmas stuff up. But like once Halloween's done, it's fair game. It's fair game from that point.
I think I need maybe 2 weeks.
2 weeks,
and then I'm kind of like accepting it and happy with it and not, happy here. But I won't put up the tree and stuff really until like toy show week of the toy show, that kind of time.
Yeah, if we're going by put up the tree, it's around now, like, do you know?
Yeah.
But no, I'm totally in the Christmas spirit. Yeah, once Halloween's over.
Because it's only like 3 weeks from now, like, it'll come and go before you know it.
That is the thing. That is the thing. It does come and go very quick. Like, back in the
And
day when it was
some presents.
back in the day, it was the 8th of December was when you stuck up the tree, like. And that's
and
2 weeks out, like.
Do you know when you're younger, time just goes or seems to go so much slower?
Yeah.
I suppose because everything's new to you.
Yeah.
But you're right. It goes up that late.
Time.
Exactly, as time expands and goes on. But it feels like ages that the tree is up when you're a kid.
Yeah.
It feels like there's this whole massive Christmas period. But yeah, sure, it probably was only 2 weeks.
Yeah. Well, no, because traditionally, like, it was the 8th of December until the 6th of January. And I like, that's like, I don't know if many people
Christmas
do that.
season,
Yeah, that's like I think it is anyway. Like, I think it's, you put it up on the 8th and you take it down the 6th. The 6th
I do
is
think
like
it's
Little
the 6th
Christmas.
an Irish thing, though.
Maybe, like, I don't know. Like, I actually don't know. Like,
Maybe.
the 6th is like Little Christmas, and then the 8th is some feast, though. The 8th is something.
Is it?
It is,
January?
yeah.
8th of December.
No, the 8th of
No,
December, sorry.
8th of December.
It's
Sorry,
Irish's birthday,
sorry.
is what it is.
It's Eilish's birthday. That's exactly what it is. But no, the 8th is you take it on the Epiphany. The Epiphany is the 6th. Yeah, it
The
is.
6th
Yeah.
of January, yeah.
That's Little Christmas. Ihe no like the man.
Yes.
That's the 6th.
Oh, lads, we're trying to figure it out. Famously, there are 12 days of Christmas.
Jesus, that would be good. That would be good one to get a version of, wouldn't it?
I would, actually.
Bianca's
It's
after coming
been
in here that
monotonous.
December.
We get a bit monotonous.
Bianca's after coming in here saying that the 6th of December is Saint Nicholas's Day.
Oh, actual.
That is interesting.
Mm.
And the 6th of January is when the wise men met Jesus, so that's the Epiphany then. Or Ihan like the man. Very good, very good.
Very good indeed.
8th is the Immaculate Conception.
Yeah, it is a Buddhist day, too. There you go.
Oh,
I'm not sure that has
And
much
the
to do with
Buddhists.
Christmas.
But isn't it funny, like, all the festivals fall around the same time, like, for all the major religions?
Yeah, I think that was kind of done on purpose, though.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Like,
They've got that festival. Look at the festival we've got.
yeah, basically, yeah.
I think everyone was like, okay, let's just choose the ones that are in the dark, dreary winter so that we can have something to look forward to.
Brighten
Yeah,
up
yeah.
people's lives a bit.
But like, for example, the Celts used to celebrate Samhain as the end of the year, Halloween.
Yeah.
And then when Christians came, they said, "Oh yeah, Samhain, we have that too, but we call it like the Saints' holiday," So,
Celts
Nádalig
didn't-
Clowen, that's definitely Happy Christmas in Welsh. Martin Cregan, am I right in saying that? Nádalig.
Not pain.
Nádalig Clowen. I think I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right, but Nádalig Clowen. I'm guessing that's Happy Christmas in Welsh. Yeah, sorry. I'm reading the comments here and I'm trying to catch up. But were you saying something there, Keith? Sorry.
The Celts didn't celebrate anything actually in the middle of winter, did they? Because I know they had the solstice, but it wasn't really
solstices,
celebrated.
yeah. No, they were. They had. I think it was called Yule, is what they actually called it. Like.
Oh yeah, sure, that's where Yule Fest comes from. That's really popular in Kilkenny.
Yeah.
Kilkenny does a great job at Yule Fest.
Yeah, they had like a the four big ones were the Imbolc, Bealtaine, Lunas and Samhain. But then you had split ones. Then ones right in the middle of each season as well.
Yule was kind of like feasting and music and stuff, wasn't it?
Yeah, as far as I'm aware, yeah. I think they all would have had similar traits. Like fire, I think, was always a big one.
Yeah.
No matter which festival it was,
Big
particularly in the winter. But but I'm not
makes
sure
no
about
sense.
it. Yeah, but I'm not. I can't remember what the other ones are called. But I'm not sure. I'm guessing. I think it was Yule. I'm nearly certain it was Yule. I know Yule is a thing for Christmas anyway. But I think I think that the Celtic one was also called Yule or some form of it. Potentially too. There's bound to be somebody in there who knows.
Oh, Yule is Germanic thing.
The Celts
There
were
you go.
Germanic though.
Oh yeah.
Hence.
Yeah, but there was also like a Germanic kind of peoples as well, though, right?
Yeah, I suppose. But region wise, the Celts would have come from Central Europe, from like the center of Western Europe, maybe more to be more accurate. Like what nowadays, like Italy, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, like that area. They were there anyway for a big time. It's one of the reasons why we go to Italy, you know, because of that kind of Celtic connection.
Yeah.
But I'm like, you know, Yule is right for sauces, yeah. So like these things would have moved around and gone with it. And then I suppose when Christianity came around, they picked a time that was suitable to bring people with them towards Christianity, you know.
Flash forward a few years, and we wrote that song.
Yeah, that's exactly it. That's exactly
That
it.
is the natural chronology.
I just wanted to subtly bring us full circle.
yeah. Yeah. But yeah, it's a bit of crack.
Some
Right,
hard
thanks for the
hitting
song, Willie.
questions being asked by James Hayes in the comments. He's just like, the Immaculate Conception was on the 8th, Jesus was born on the 25th. How did that work?
Yeah, I'm not so sure they.
I think the actual dates in the Bible may have a little bit of wiggle room in them.
Artistic
I'm not sure the
license.
calendar was the exact same.
I might do now a song or two there, please.
Absolutely,
Two.
my friend.
Right, I'll go more down the folky, Irishy catalogue of songs that I really enjoy to sing for this one. Do you know what? I'll pick this one. On Raglan Road of an autumn's day, I saw her first and knew that her dark hair would weave a snare that I might one day rue. I saw the danger and I cried along the enchanted way. So I said, let grief be a fallen leaf at the dawning of the day. On Grafton Street in November, we tripped lightly along the ledge of a deep ravine where can be seen the worth of passion's pledge, and the Queen of Hearts still baking tarts, and I not making hay. Oh, I love too much by such is happiness thrown away. a quiet street where old ghosts meet, I see her walking now, away from me so hurriedly. My reason must allow that I had loved not as I should, a creature made of clay. When the angel woos the clay, he loose his wings at the dawn of the day. I love that song. Thank you very much. I'll do another song, sure. Give the boys a break from the shy talk, huh? She's God knows they could do with it. I'm only messing. Thank you, Yannicka. Thank you, Miriam. Thank you, everyone. Mila Mahagui. Sure, we'll do now a bit of a fun one. Confess what I've done, and I ask them to pardon their prodigal son. And if they caress me as oft times before, sure I never will pay the while over no more. And it's no need never, no need never, no more will I pay. So that's the old Wild Rover. A song about being bowled and then deciding not to be bowled anymore. Because you've been bowled for long enough. Hey boys.
Well.
Kech Chip.
Howdy.
Sorry, Stiff, we probably threw you back in there a little prematurely. Sorry about that.
No, it's alright, it's alright.
At least you had your pants on.
Oh, got hiccups.
Oh no. That'll be the first hiccups on a live stream, I'd say, on a Tank Focus Thursday.
No, I'm pretty sure Dahi.
Oh, that's
I'm
a
pretty
disaster.
sure I'm pretty sure Dahi had them.
Ah, right.
And had them. More.
We all know why.
Was he drinking red wine?
Oh my god, I actually remember that. That's it. Remember we had that session where Carl came in and Dahi came in?
Connor was on that too, wasn't he?
Connor, yeah, every single. I think, it was, yeah, I'm pretty sure all of us run it, and it was just wild.
Oh, I do remember that. Yeah.
If ever we get another round of lockdown, I'd be all for that again. To be honest.
It was now lockdown of a stream, alright.
Oh, Jesus.
That doesn't really make any sense, does it?
I suppose everyone was locked. I
was trying to get at the fact that we were all locked, but then, you know, I could have done better there now.
I picked up on it. Stefan picked up on it. Probably half the people watching got it. I'd give it a bit more credit than you're giving it, Keith.
Yeah,
you guys.
I think it's all good. I think it's all good.
Make me feel good about myself.
I mean, it wasn't great.
Should have known.
I just want to say before we continue, like, just to support people who have been giving us.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, excuse me. Already tonight, and like, and just in general, is just unbelievable. Like, you guys are really, really, really special. And we grab my ship. Agus Thomas gomorf we were gumming. As in yet the hook and chibchoin. To couple in a cortu blast oran, to the cortu blast ready to and yet kinds of gold rice and tracht and it's all the different requests and stuff you're thrown in and the chat and everything, Tom. It's really more for you coming. We're really appreciative of all that and this community that we've created and stuff. So, want to speak at Takulin if you want to support us and you feel like I say every week there's absolutely zero pressure. Sorry.
Jesus, you alright, Stefan?
I had a slice of toast and I was trying to get back quickly, and it's like little grains of
toast
in my throat. It's a troast. It's now called a troast. But yeah. So if you do want to support, like as I say every week, there's absolutely zero pressure. Now this is only if you're in a position to do so and you feel like you want to. You can do so at paypal.me/Shalane. So paypal.me/Shalane. Kevin, my boy, Tom, I get a couple of tune whites. We have to earn these tips.
Absolutely.
Tips
for
dead right.
races or what?
Who's Dahi?
Hey, come on now.
Which means Lewis.
We miss Dahi. Will you ever come home, lads?
Fingers crossed he will come home someday.
We kind of need him.
I'd like to see him again.
Our beautiful Dahi.
Yeah.
And Lynn, of course.
Of course. Do you have Maria Mam? No pressure. Hard cough. those two are. That was an accidental juxtaposition. I promise. But Kevy, have you got one for us?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
My man.
Okay, let's start again.
I never remember the start of it either.
Start what?
I have it. Yeah, cool. Sorry, that was just asked for there. Alan asked for it, so I'll play that.
Good.
Oh, how far is that to Limerick? Bit of a ropey start there, but I got there in the end. Yo, that's Cherish the Ladies. There's a name of a tune that I do remember. Right, I'll get the lads back in there again. Well, as soon as you're ready, I see Stefan sticking headphones in. They're thereabouts somewhere. Oh,
Well, hello.
what's the story?
Awesome, mate.
Lovely tunes,
Absolutely
Kev.
awesome.
Thanks.
I kind of
Oh, actually, this is my old accordion, and I think I prefer it to the one I usually play with Trilling.
Is that the one we used to record last week or 2 weeks ago?
Yep.
And what's the dealio with the preference, or what's the crack there?
So this is the old one, and it looks the same, but it's deeper on both sides, and it has deeper reeds as a result. So it gets a bit more chunkier tone.
Yeah.
It has no coupler though, so you can't change between 2 and 3 voice. But like I do that fairly rarely.
Yeah, it is quite rare that you do use it. In fairness,
Yeah.
So, I mean, why not? Why not? I was at a gig last night. I went to see the Mary Wallopers play.
Oh, deadly.
Yeah, in Dolan's. Yeah, they're brilliant, absolutely brilliant. This is one of their T-shirts actually I have on me. But they played a song that I actually really liked. It's a song called John O'Halloran, and it's about a fella emigrating from Ireland to England. So I said I'd give it a crack. It's the only reason I can is because it's to the air of Skibbereen. So I know it. I know that air, so we can give it a crack, and I can bait a bit of a. Might have to try to get the right key notes or anything. I'll see if I can give it a crack. But it's nice. It's a nice song. It's something different. So I heard this song from the Mary Wallopers.
It's handy that if you forget the lyrics, you can just sing Skibbereen.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, I actually bought their songbook too, so I have the lyrics in front of me now. If I can only read them, is the next thing.
Class.
But should be able to get it going.
Deadly.
So it's about a fella by the name of John O'Halloran, as I said, who emigrated from Ireland and went to England. About that part of his life. My name is John Halloran. I'm 81 years old. I left my childhood days behind in search of fame and gold. I left my home in Trallytown in the 22nd year. I would dig the shores of England and seek my fortune there. Oh, the weary days in search of work I tramped along the ground. A shake me down in Camden Town, it was my first abode. No friendly glance, no happy cheer, not one would hold my hand. There's no easy gold, only rain and cold in this God-forsaken land. I loved a girl, Liverpool, a sweet one from Mayo. I've known some girls in Tiger Bay with hearts as dark as coal. I drank my sub in small shebeens, I drank the porter black. In a dirty bed where I lay my head and the lice crawled up my back. Go down the trench, proud Irishman, for you are both strong and bold. Well, grab the shovel by its neck, spit on your hands and dig. Pull out the guts of Mother Earth from the daylight till the dawn. And in the nearest pub, you'll spend your sub, drink and fight till the dawn. My bones are getting weary now, my money it is all spent. My once dark hair now grey with care, my back it is all bent. Soon Sergeant Death will call me home and take me by the hand. Far from Tralee Town, lay my body down in this God-forsaken land. Far from Tralee Town, lay my body down in this God-forsaken land. It's a tune there called John O'Halloran. to the air of Skibbereen. It's a nice, I like the lyrics to that one now. It's just kind of story, very common story of man who emigrated and had to work hard and maybe met a wife at some point along the way, with an Irish person, and just kind of lived his life a bit, and it's an insight into that time, I suppose, in many ways. Say, Kev, now you could probably relate to that in some sense with your grandfather, maybe.
Yeah, like I think he went to England when he was like 16, and like emigrated at like 16 years of age, which is just mental when you think about it now. Like,
Crazy, yeah.
Like we'd have just done our junior cert, but he worked for Jaguar, Jaguar Motors.
Jaguar.
In fact, he designed it. No, he didn't.
Yeah.
But it was when that's the E-Type Jaguar. Jaguar is.
Oh yeah.
Like they're famous, like they're iconic car. But it would have been around the time that they were selling that model that he was working there.
Yeah.
That is it XK 120 is the other one. They're like, iconic Jaguars, if you know it. But he was driving trucks around the factory, like taking shells of cars from one side of the factory to the other. Over there. But like that's a theme kind of the Mary Wallopers follow, is those people, like Irish people who emigrated to England, because Ireland was destitute, like we had nothing.
Yep.
So England was where you went to if you wanted to make anything of yourself, like. But sure, the thousands and thousands of people. That's where you have all those like most of the like famous drinking songs and work songs are all from like the 30s, 40s, 50s over there. Luke Kelly was big into that scene as well. Like
he was.
It's kind of social. It mixes in and out with like socialism as well. Kind of the socialism.
Particularly in Luke's case, yeah, for sure, and in Christy Moore's case too. And I suppose anyone who kind of voyaged around those old folk clubs back in the day were probably fairly left leaning, yeah. Yeah,
that's it. But no, some of the songs they sing are absolutely gas, though. The Mary Wallopers.
Yeah. They've got both sides to them now. They've got the real magic ones.
The one I think is absolute magic is one. I don't know if they've actually recorded it, but they did it live on Radio Liffey.
They did it last night as well. Build it up and turning it down, yeah.
It's unbelievable. If anyone hasn't seen it, you should look it up after this.
They did a thing in the middle of the set, so like they actually, it's just the three boys, right? They had it was a 7-piece, so they had an accordion player, a drummer.
That's familiar. 7-piece with accordion player.
7-piece, yeah, accordion player, drummer, bass, flute, low whistle, mostly. And then the three boys, 2 of them on guitar and 1 of them on bodhrán, or they'd be kind of swapping and changing a bit, Yeah. But and then they kind of all their kind of bigger ones, their kind of Poguesy style ones and that kind of thing. They were all full band. And then in the middle of the set, they kind of the band left, and they did kind of a section where it was kind of your John O'Hallorans and building up and tearing England down kind of ones, And that was very nice. It was very good. It was a very, very good gig. Like I really, really enjoyed it.
Nice.
I'd definitely recommend it to anybody if anyone, I suppose anyone in Ireland here who wants to go see them. Like, it's a good show. I'd definitely go again.
Boys as well, lovely chaps.
Yeah. I definitely will go again. Like I'd go again tomorrow. Like, do you know what I mean? Like it's that kind of a show, And
I'd say they're the same fellas as well. They don't give the exact same show 2 nights in a row. Like
Yeah, and like those songs too, like because they're all the old ones that like you kind of want to hear. You want to hear them again. It's not like I've heard the hit and that's grand. It's like I want to hear these songs again and again.
Yeah, and they do put their own spin on them as well. Like it's not.
Definitely. Yeah.
It's not always like even that building up and turning England down. Like the chords they put with that transform that song. Like.
Absolutely. Yeah, because that that song is definitely like they're brilliant, like brilliant musicians and brilliant in what they do and everything. Yeah, no, it was cool, very, very cool. There's a song I've been trying to do for the last ages, but I keep getting distracted by other songs.
Is this the one like an older one that you love to perform live?
Yeah, exactly. I still haven't played that. Like, it's one from EP Marcus O'Guile.
Oh.
It was just like I like it's I mean I think I used to play it the whole time on the thing, and then I just kind of forgot. So I might just do it quickly now and kind of just before I completely forget again, and then we'll come back and we join. But this song is I think we can all say that we actually really enjoy playing it. Whoa, it's very loud. I think we can all say that we really enjoy playing this one on the when we're playing it live, in particular together. You know, yeah, it's just usually. I play it in the key of A, I think, when it's just myself on these. But then when we're playing, or if we're doing like a radio version, but when we've got the drum kit and everything, we usually play in the key of C. But you know what it is, surely.
Oh.
I'm actually not 100% sure. I keep thinking I know what you're talking about, and then you say something, I'm like,
It's one of 5 songs.
yeah, yes it is.
Hey.
And there's only one of those songs that we play in 2 different keys.
No, that's not true. Oh, that is true. I know what it is.
Sure, I know what it is, but
Yeah.
Because one of the songs we play in a different key from the recording, but we always play it in that key. But this one is one that we play. We do like a radio version, and then we do a stage version. Do you know what
Take
it
her
is?
away, Stephen. Take her away.
Have you got it?
Yes. Yeah. I actually thought I had imagined that we do a different key for a song that will remain nameless, but we actually don't. So yeah, it has to be the song now.
I'm starting to wonder what's all the secrecy about. Is it Sideshow and Lake?
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's
Ik moest constant fiscal en talen show ik ben mooi. Ik sta nu maar loud in love. Ska veta I min själ från foolish skiten mot. Så ni här är en så late. You baked up in a rain, and it's just sold my valor. Dacht stil till, near me hold till me. Ni when you catch so she me. It's lonesome on me. Right, I trust nu. An chvílesin when yogi tachel ter mogi Greek cancer is no taring sheer me Ek trouwen lo Shed am kassidish am all her tauru So nige an inside so late and it's just so my valor. Ach, det still too. Det med hållåter lo mig. Det skön jag kanske skyr mig. Det slår samma kilo. shoshime Eslo samodilo Lu Nikunyo kan shoshime Eslo samodilo Salchule, Lorle. Salchule, Lorna he. Salchule, Nacholene. Speaking of here to dash, lads. So been a. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of get that one done and out of the way. Well, not out of the way, but like, I kept forgetting about it, so I haven't done it in a while.
That's listen to that now. It'll give you an old thirst for going back on stage, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Faux show.
I thought you were going to say something else because you just went, yeah, for sure.
I know, I can't wait. But yeah, sure. Have you got any more songs or tunes on the spot?
I'll do some songs. They might be my last songs now because the old housemates are going to bed soon.
Very good. That's perfect. You're on a bit of a freeze there, Keith, again, I think.
Am I really? I hope I don't
You
have
look
some
more
horror.
interested this time than upset.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not as bad of a freeze this time, to be fair.
Yeah. The last one wasn't overly...
You're back.
You're back.
Yeah.
Okay. Happy days. Yeah, go on. I'll sing some songs.
No worries, man.
There was a request in for this song. I never sing this song. Not sure have I ever sang it, but I'm going to sing it now because it was requested.
Do it.
And sure, why not?
Do it.
Yo to the low.
You've got the flow.
I've made an awful saying even worse. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a go. Jeez, this could go all kinds of ways, but look, that is what YOLO is for. Diary in society, wearing on the tall I talk to him. She is blushing there. Escobar shit. For we will rise, southern sun, and we will fly. Lost and rolling, for we will rise, southern sun, and we will fly. Lost and rolling. So there's Rise. I don't know who requested that, but there you go. Drez a stiff on. It's not an easy one to sing.
Yeah, you know yourself. Usually when we sing that one, we have the whole lot of us singing it, so it's not too bad.
Yeah.
That reminded me, Keith, to look at something I haven't looked at. You know, everyone's posting their Spotify Wrapped.
Oh yes.
I haven't looked at Sholin's one. Have you?
I haven't.
No, it only came out. No, we haven't. But I'm just looking through it here. There's some really cool figures on it that I thought were worth mentioning. So, just on Spotify, it's obviously just Spotify figures, but still, it's cool.
Yes.
So 8,334 people following us on Spotify now.
Really
which is massive. Then, what was the next one? Was we had
we were added to Spotify. Yeah, that's really cool.
This year we were added to 19,486 playlists.
What?
That's bananas.
BANANAS, man.
That's bananas.
Yeah. So I'm just flicking through it here. I'll every so often I'll shout out some figure to you, but because you know the way it goes through. It gives you random little things as well. Next time I'm gone onto it, it went that time. It was just so even if you killed your house plant, you've got something to be proud of.
Random enough, to be honest.
Our audio aura. So this is talking about what? It's still hard to travel this year. Your top song, what do you think it was, lads?
Oro.
It was Oro.
Baby, baby.
Probably 6 years running. It's Oro. It's not even out 6 years, but okay. Let's have a look. It was shared 753 times. Just
Oro
from the
was.
Spotify link.
Oro
Oh
was,
God.
yeah.
Oro was, yeah.
Jesus.
It was played in 100 countries and it was added to 8,037 playlists. So I think that's most of our playlists right there.
It was played in 100 countries. 100's a lot.
100's a lot.
fair lot.
We got
10 is a lot.
30 new countries this year as well. That was another fact earlier on.
Whoa. Jeez, lads, we must be doing something right.
Yeah. It had the most listeners in a single day. 2,000.
Oro. I'm guessing that was March 17th.
Has to be.
It doesn't say the date. Oh, maybe it did actually. Hang on. Might have popped up after it. It was... No, it doesn't say. Yeah, March 17th. You're dead right.
Nice.
There you go.
What other day would that be in fairness?
Same
And-
thing.
In 2021... Sorry, 2021. What am I saying 2001 for?
That's stupid.
It reached 245,790. These are mad numbers, lads.
Yeah. Crazy numbers. Holy crap.
Thanks, everyone. I'd say most of those are the people in this live stream just playing it when we're not in the live stream.
Yeah, that would be pretty fun.
Yeah, cool. There's all sorts of figures. You should look at it when you get a bit of time.
I will. I'm shocked I didn't look at it before
There's
now.
way more in it.
It's just right. I'll look at it myself. That
Unreal.
should be good.
You get 10,000 people putting their songs on repeat, all that kind of stuff. It's cool.
Yeah, it is. Absolutely.
I'll do a song now. A song that I haven't sang in a while on the streams, and it used to be an exclusive to the stream song. But let's just yeah, see if I can remember it now. It's a bit of fun. I think I like this one. I think you like this one. Friday night, I'm going nowhere. All the lights are turning green to red. Turning over TV stations, situations running through my head. But looking back to time, you know it's clear that I've been blind, I've been a fool. To open up my heart to all the jealousy, that bitterness, that ridicule. Saturday, I'm running wild and all the lights are changing green to red. Moving through the crowd, I'm pushing chemicals all rushing through my bloodstream. I only wish that you were here. You know I'm seeing it so clear, I've been afraid. show you how I really feel. Admit to some of those bad mistakes I've made. If you want it, just come and get it. I'm crying out loud. The love that I was giving you was never in doubt. Let go your heart, let go your head, and feel it now. Let go your heart, let go your head, and feel it now. Babylon, Babylon, Babylon. Sunday, all the lights of London shine and the sky is faded red to blue. We're kicking through the autumn leaves and wondering where it is you might be going to. We're turning back for home, you know I'm feeling so alone, I can't believe. We're climbing on the stair, I turn around to see you smiling there in front of me. If you want it, just come and get it. I'm crying out loud. The love that I was giving you was never in doubt. Let go your heart, let go your head. Now, let go your heart, let go your head, feel it now. Let go your heart, but let go your head, feel it now. Let go your heart, let go your head, feel it now. Babylon, 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 Babylon. Cannot bait a bit of David Gray, to be fair. I think Ireland in particular loves David Gray. And that song is a belter, like. I love it. I love it. Plain love it.
Doesn't matter when it comes on, you're just gonna sing along. Like that's
Yeah,
just it's just such a good song.
Go your heart.
It's just
The best.
That and what's the other one you do? There's another one like that that's very similar. Babylon and I won't think of it right now.
Another David Gray, like.
No, it's not a David Gray one. It's just like, as in there are two songs. They're just two random covers that you do. That's one of them. I'm trying to think of the other one now. You haven't done it in a while. I'll have a think now.
Would it have been on Tank Folk as well, like, yeah?
Yeah.
Jesus, what would that be now?
Oh, it's not actually on the same vein at all, but it's the Paolo Nutini one.
Oh yeah, Rewind.
Yeah.
I love
yeah.
that song.
It's different. Like, it's just it's a similar kind of this song. I haven't heard it in ages because usually it has been a while since I've heard it.
Let's do it. Let's do it. I haven't done that one in so long.
It's a lovely song. I love that song. I'm noticing this mic has a real hot spot right in front of it, right? So like it's like normal volume, and then boom, then like right here it's so loud.
Yeah, that's definitely true.
Like even back here, like normal, boom, I'm so loud.
It's even a little bit quiet when you're back there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you kind of have to get the sweet spot because if you go in too close, then it's going really fuzzy.
If you get too close, it sounds like air traffic control.
I'm going to get you down the freeway here, number 4.
By number L9575.
God, none of that made sense. I know I'm not an air traffic controller, so I wouldn't be expected to come out with the real...
It was, to be honest with you, all you need to do is say numbers and letters and you're good.
on the freeway, number 5, number 4, number 4. I mean, come on. I could have done better than that. Anyone could have done better than that.
Yeah, you probably could have, yeah.
All right, Steve.
I'm just gonna be honest with you here, man. I'm not gonna fill you with shit, am I?
To be fair,
exactly.
all he actually did was agree with you, Keith.
Yeah. But you know, that's the thing, Joey. We're like, I don't look great in this, do I? No, you don't really.
No.
All right.
I don't look great in this, do I? Yeah, I agree with you. Sometimes the green isn't always good, is it?
Yeah, the one thick skin around here. Only messing. Right, go on, give us an old blast. I love this song.
I'm trying to think about it. Yeah, I got it. Picking up the pieces, the wreck you when I left, and I'm dealing with dilemmas. Just now it's a stressful life, and I'm drinking stronger spirits. I've made my home here on the floor. Losing all ambitions and goals. Then I'm going all out, and I'm thinking you're just as bad, and I'm not sleeping at night. But I'm going from bar to bar. Can we just rewind? Can we just rewind? Can we just rewind? Oh, remember our sweet 16? The crazy drunken night we had. I kissed you in the doorway, and I took you straight to bed. 2 years on, and I'm still that same boy, not sleeping at night. But I'm going from bar to bar. But can we just rewind? But can we just rewind? But can we just rewind? Oh, at night, but I'm going from bar to bar. But can we just rewind? Can we just rewind? Can we just rewind? And you may blame this on me, but you insisted that we fall. You wiped your hands off me, said we needed more. Oh, Lord, I'm not sleeping at night, but I'm going from bar to bar. Well, can we just rewind? Well, can we just rewind? But can we just rewind? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. But can we just rewind? Can we just rewind? Oh. the government's yard in Trenchtown. Love of observing those hypocrites, 'cause they would mingle with the good people we meet. All the friends we've had, all the friends we've lost along the way, yeah. In this great future, you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I say. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Say. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Say I remember when we used to sing. Well, in the government's yard in Trenchtown, land that Georgie would make the fire light. The logwood were burning through the night, and we would cook cornmeal porridge, of which I'd share with you. And my fear is my only courage, so I got to push on through. But while I'm gone, I'm saying everything is gonna be alright. 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 Everything is gonna be alright, sure. Everything is gonna be alright. No woman, no cry. Well, no woman, no woman, no cry. Say. And like, little darling, don't shed no tears now. No woman, no cry. Say. Bit of bob. Oh, yeah, that's it. I don't know where that came from, but it kind of just felt like a bit of a segue there when it came from out of Rewind. I just forget though how much I absolutely love that song as well though. Like, such an absolute class song.
Hello.
Yeah, no, like I said, it's one of the songs you play at. I don't think we've ever played at a gig. Like, it's one of the ones like that you used to play before we were even a band. Maybe it's the nostalgia of you know, early days of the band and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've loved that since like my memories of that song. Well, Bob Marley more so was like coming home from school, like secondary school, and you know, my brother's bedroom window was kind of facing the sun in the evening time. I'm assuming it was summertime, certain point of year anyway. And we'd go in and just like the sun would be beaming through the window straight onto the bed, and the bed would be like warm. So I just just like jump on top of it, like not get in, just jump on top of it, lie back, throw in the headphones, and I'd listen to. Usually it was Africa Unite by Bob Marley. Listen to that one, and then listen to like No Woman No Cry as well, and songs like that. And it's just like that's just like happy, you know what I mean? Like just like pure. It's meditation almost. Like it's like
your
brain sounded Jamaican when you said that.
You're making me crazy. No, but speaking of the Caribbean and the Caribbean islands, I have to say a massive, massive hon Barbados
Oh yeah.
Oh,
nation once again. No, the
Succession.
no, fair play to them now. That's and the best of luck to them as a new republic.
Wasn't their first person given the freedom of Barbados was Rihanna or something?
Yeah, she was
Yeah.
declared a national hero. Yeah, no, fair play now to Barbados. Hopefully they lead the charge now, and some other places will do it, because what's the point of having a monarch that doesn't really, it's not
She doesn't even visit.
it's not even visited, like, 'cause then it's no cultural relevance whatsoever, like, you know. Let's try and no, do it for yourselves, lads. Do it for yourselves. It's really good. Fair play, Barbados. Big fan of what's after happening. But
Might sing one last song, lads,
yeah, for sure.
Yeah, lovely.
because it was requested by Susan
nice.
Luster, and we shall not keep a lady
Deny.
waiting.
For sure.
Indeed. 1, 2. There you go. That's Pompeii. Pompeii by Bastille. Osgailge, Lagan Gailge that we did back in 2013. And that was there for Susan Luster who requested that one. Isn't that right, boys?
Bloody awesome, Matt. I actually remember being in a night out in Galway. I can't exactly remember the pub. And we were up at the bar, and the fella who was serving was like, "Oh, you the fella from the Pompeii video?" We were like, "Gosh, this is brilliant!"
I do remember that actually. Yeah.
And that same night, I remember somebody dropped a strawberry daiquiri on the floor. And
I also remember that.
Everywhere, and then we were taking photos, pretending we were all smashed in the head. And the daiquiri was all the brains and guts. I sometimes think about that whenever I hear
lying down in the broken glass.
yeah, basically, yeah, just like this, and like the strawberry daiquiri coming out your head, like. I think I know where the pub is. I think it's just up from Supermax, then to the right there, just as you
dead right, yeah.
Yeah,
I actually remember the pub myself, yeah.
Yeah, I just can't remember the name of it now.
Like,
it could have been the back of the front door.
That's the opposite direction, isn't it?
No, the front door is.
The other Supermax. Sorry, I'm thinking of the Air Square Supermax.
Yeah,
Sorry.
no, not the Air Square Supermax.
I know what you mean. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nishawad by Shan Ifigihal.
Yeah.
I'll get up a bit of maps now here and see if I can find it on the maps. So I'd like to actually go back. I'd like to venture there again. We must get an all night
Drop
out.
another battery on the floor and take a few pictures.
We must do a bit of a show-in night out in Galway, lads. We just should,
Yeah,
Oh,
absolutely.
100%.
the three of us.
Last time we've all been out in Galway, actually.
Or even if when Dahi comes home for Christmas, we could imagine if we just snake away for a night. Like, I know we have
Absolutely.
literally no time. To
We should make Dahi come on this again, because I know he does have to get up in the middle of the night, and I understand that, but like he did it a good few times at the start.
Yeah,
Do you know what I mean?
yeah. I think
He
he's
did
pretty.
it when they were in lockdown a few times.
Oh yeah, that's what it is. No, I can remember him wearing a school shirt at one point.
Yeah, he did. He did get up. He did get up for one for definite. Yeah.
Oh, man.
I think we should berate him tomorrow. What do you think in the comments there? Do you think we should
I think we should force him.
bully Dahi into coming on to share his lovely face and voice with us?
I'd be a big fan of that anyway myself, to be honest.
Yeah.
Where I'm still trying to find this place.
Dahi's so nice you can pretty much guilt him into doing it anyway.
Go my Donyark and Yarther Sky Hela.
Oh, it looks like the people have spoken. They all completely agree with Dahi coming on.
I think it is the front door. I think it's actually Kirby's or Busker Brown's. I think that's what it is.
I was going to say, was it Buskers? That's across the road from the front door.
Yeah, I think it is. I think it is
I think
Busker's.
it was there, yeah.
Yeah. Try to look inside the window now.
Nothing like seeing some adults lying down in broken glass and strawberry daiquiri and taking pictures.
Look, I'm not 100% sure if it is Busker's or not. It could be Kirby's.
I'm not. Well, we can go to both. I mean, maybe it'll all come flooding back.
Vi man kan se mailen till Lafayette in actually see he's cracking.
No deadly.
We should come on.
check.
Just a flyer.
Come on.
Just a flyer. But will we get a tune from Kev and then I might maybe finish up.
Yeah,
Cool.
Gone on.
sounds good.
Jeez, we've gone on a good bit, lads. We've
Yeah, no, yeah. Oh, we're grand.
Through the Chorgale, yeah.
Um,
New World Jacobite said that her brother lost a pupper today in South Carolina. We're very sorry to hear that. That's awful.
Oh jeez.
Always sad when a beloved animal passes away. So sorry to hear that.
absolutely.
What are you getting? What are you doing for us, Kev?
Do a couple of hard pipes, sir.
Oh, you're
Good man.
actually the opposite of what I intended to do. I did one hornpipe instead of two, and it was a completely different hornpipe. But anyway, Stefan, are you muted? It doesn't say you're muted. No, sorry. I didn't know you were there.
Yeah, I have the mixer here. I can just throw it down.
Okay. I was just like, what's going on? I played the wrong hornpipe. But anyway, that's the high level. That's one you've definitely heard before. Someone's asking for Cherish the Ladies. I actually played it earlier, didn't I? I did play it earlier.
No, you didn't. Oh, did you?
Did I not? Yeah, I did. I did.
What did you?
Yeah. I'm 100% sure I played it earlier. But I'll play it again. Don't worry, another day. It'll be back.
Play the same song again.
Like that scene in Family Guy with the band from Star Wars. It's like, any requests? Play that same song. Okay. What were you thinking to finish up, Steph?
The can't really not finish on the parting glass, really.
Oh yeah. Well, before you do play it, we'll say a thank you one more time to everyone. Thanks a million, everybody, for the support. It's unreal. Like, that's what keeps the show on the road. It's what keeps Thank Folk It's Friday or Thank Folk It's Thursday or whatever the day of the week we end up doing it. Going. It's like, as we say every week, it's funding tracks for our new album. It's funding all sorts of things. Just keeping Shull-In going, especially when there are so few gigs on hand, with in and out of lockdown and all that kind of crack. So thanks so much to everyone for supporting us. Like we said earlier as well, not just with the PayPal. I mean, it's a huge help when people do give on the PayPal, and we're so appreciative. But also people who are sharing it to their friends, sharing it on Facebook, commenting, engaging, giving us something to talk about in between songs. It's all of it. It's really grown into something we really enjoy week in, week out. And thanks so much to everyone who's made it possible. So, I'll stick the link for PayPal for anyone who does want to support financially. It's huge. So thanks so much.
Yeah, thanks a million, guys. Kev said it all there. Absolute legends. We'll finish up with
that's it there for anyone who because I think this is streaming in a couple of places that you can't see comments. So that's paypal.me/Shull-In. Thank you.
So we finish up with last song of the night, and the way we always finish Thank Folk here, we finish up with the way the Clancy's used to finish their gigs, with the parting glass.
Thanks.
Love all the money that e'er I had, I spent it in good company, and of all the comrades ere I've done, alas, it was to none but me. For all I've done, for want of wit, memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. Of all the money that e'er I spend, and leisure time to sit a while, there is a fair maid in this town, and she surely has my heart beguiled. Her rosy cheeks, her ruby lips, I own she has my heart enthralled. So fill to me
the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you all. And of all the comrades that e'er I've had, they are sorry for my going away. And of all the sweethearts that e'er I've had, they would wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls unto my lot that I should rise, and you should not, I'll gently rise and I'll softly call. Good night and joy be with you all. Good night and joy be with you all. Vinagia, Munya, Sholin, my Ich war Yoda East, I guess Gormila Mahik Gachtan Honigstach. Great night of music, and thanks so much to everybody come in. Thank you much, we'll see you next week for some more for a music chat conversation and just general good times. So, Mina buchas a charde, chlán, dílish, tashib intach. I guess feck much and tachan